kid's really, really stupid. Like, I mean, like, I wouldn't support dance all day like that. That was really 10 times worse. Oh, you're filming?
No, what?
Hi!
Hi! Wait.
Are we gonna put this on YouTube?
Sure.
Woohoo! Chicken hot chocolate!
We're watching Home Alone. See? Home Alone 2. Can you see it? Can you see it? No? Maybe? Baby?
Yeah. The kid's really stupid. He goes to a toy store. If it was me, I'd go to Forever 21 or someone like that. Yeah.
I go to Juicy.
Well, you know what I mean. Like,
I go to
shopping.
Pink.
Shopping.
Yeah, totally.
Ooh, we could just buy Juicy.
Yes. I would totally buy Juicy. But then I get so rounded.
Yeah, you're in New York. Who cares? Wait, no. If I had to get lost anywhere, I'd want to get lost in California because California is hot.
And it's where your parents live.
Yeah. And my twin. Yeah.
Your twin?
Yeah.
I thought it was your sister.
No, I've got a twin named Jacob.
Oh, boy twin.
He's
Cute.
I don't know. I've never seen him.
Well, if he looks like you.
That means he's hot. Okay.
Okay, well, bye. We're going to watch the rest of the movie.
Bye.
Bye.